Hey baking babes, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Symone, aka the Baking Beauty, here to share with you guys my organic and all natural sweet treats that can be low fat, low carb, and won't ruin your diet at all. This week's sweet treat is my organic low carb strawberry lemon mug cake, and it is super easy to make. You can either pop it in the oven or in the microwave. So we're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to lightly grease our mugs or your individual self-serve pans if you have that also. Now that we've gotten them all lightly greased, we are going to start combining our dry ingredients. We're gonna whisk together our coconut flour and almond flour. These flours act as the base for the cake without contributing to a large amount of carbs, so you can just indulge all that you want. So we're gonna combine that with our baking powder and salt and just whisk that together until it's nice and mixed. Now we're going to add in our fresh chopped strawberries. You want to add that in and then combine it all together. You want to do this in the process of combining with the dry ingredients because it allows the fruit to get evenly coated so it doesn't fall to the bottom of the cake when it is baking. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and combine our wet ingredients. So we're gonna start by adding in our melted coconut oil. You can also use butter if you'd like. I just prefer coconut oil. Now we're gonna add in our heavy cream. You can also substitute this with milk. It just won't be as creamy and fluffy. Next, of course, we are going to add in our eggs. And lastly, we're going to add in our sweetener. I'm using Swerve granular consistency, but you can also just use sugar or whatever sugar substitute you have on hand. And then add in your vanilla and lemon extracts. Then you are good to go. So you want to combine that until it is all fairly mixed together. And then we're going to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. The last part of this recipe is to, of course, combine the wet and dry ingredients. You want to just whisk them together until everything is evenly combined. Then you can pop your mugs into the oven. You can place them directly into the oven or in a water bath inside of a larger pan. I just pop mine directly into the oven because it's a lot simpler. So put those in the oven and let them bake for 10 minutes. Or you can pop them in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And then you have your strawberry lemon mug cake. So this is the final results. This is a quick and easy, low carb and organic treat to have throughout the week that won't set you back on your diet at all. You can actually binge eat these and still be perfectly fine. It produces a very moist cake that is just delicious and citrusy as well. So I like to enjoy these all the time, even though, you know, maybe I shouldn't, simply because I'm trying to get away from the sweets, but I can't help it. Thank you guys once again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think of the recipe in the comments. Also, let me know how it comes out if you have tried it. I love to hear feedback from you guys. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!